You wanna come on? I got my money right standing up. Low every down, I'm putting on the stuff. Cruise through the town, double I truck. I'm in the backseat, I'm rolling the stuff. I made one comment, the show pull up. I remember time I went down on my luck, down on my luck, down on my leg. Got out my ass when it got in my.
Mula gang, y'all heard that new Boston Richie? That shit sliding. Hey, don't play that shit in no fast car for them gray. Y'all know both my cars fast though, Ski. I ain't got no slow shit. I don't think I could ever go back to a slow car. Like slow. Like I might get a C class, cause if y'all don't know, I got a baby on the way, so I might get a C class. But it's gonna have to be like AMG. At least have a Sports Plus in that motherfucking mode or something. God damn. I hate these niggas, man. These niggas be driving slow than a bitch. What y'all on though, man? I hope everybody decent. You feel me? We out here turning up. Y'all see we got these pants. These pants from my clothing line. They ain't dropped yet, so this just a sample pair. But yeah, they gonna say Diari right here, which is the brand name. They flared. They like kind of like they flare, but they not big, but they not like skinny either. They're kind of perfect. So yeah, they gonna be right with sale. They see a low key match the color of the car. Yeah, ski. And we shining as always. Bye. Yeah. Trying to get that $100,000 watch though. You know what I mean? We finna put the car on the wrist. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep the car. We're gonna put the car on the wrist though. Yeah, AP motherfucker. That's how we gonna do it. Rose gold, motherfucker. All rose, all the way around. Motherfucker 98. Yeah. 98 Renax. I need like what it is, like 105 tech. Shit like that, man. We gotta put some money somewhere. We're gonna do that, buy a few properties for the end of the year, man. Spend that cheese. End of the year tax write-offs, man. What you call it right here? No problem, Mr. Sir. I see you. See you with them children. I ain't gonna hit them children. I ain't gonna hit them children, man. Especially I got one on the way. I ain't gonna lie. Just knowing I had a kid on the way instantly changed. It really rocked my whole world for real. Like when I found out. Really rocked my whole world type shit. Like I changed a lot of shit. Like everything I think about be different as hell now. Fuck I need designer for. I'm finna go buy these clothes. This is my shit. I'm gonna get these clothes made how I want them. You feel me? For cheaper than designer, and I'm finna sell them. Like, you know what I'm saying? And make money off of them and promote my own shit. I ain't with the other shit. I gotta buy pants. I mean, I gotta buy shoes, designer shoes, but I ain't gotta buy nothing else. So really, I'm just finna stack up on my own shit. And that's gonna influence me to work harder, because I gotta sell this shit. You feel what I'm saying? Gotta get over, so we finna yank. Had to get over, man. That bitch turned off. I had to unplug that bitch. The sensor be throwing that bitch off. Man, can y'all drive, bro? Fuck. It just be, the fuck y'all got going on, bro? Yeah. Pop. Kind of getting better at the one hand goddamn transition. The one hand paddle shifting machine. Yeah. I see I just rock 80 on their ass real quick. Real fast, though. They wasn't even ready for that shit. Yay! Rex like, that nigga sleep driving? What the fuck you got going on? Did y'all see that? That nigga ass sleep driving. I don't know how he going that shit. His ass funny as hell. Sensitive ass sensor, bro. I ain't gonna speed up into the car, man. I appreciate it, but damn. It's fine, Latino shit going on now. What's up, baby? Mamacita, mami. Minivan, don't look at me, boy. I don't care about nothing you doing, boy. I don't care about nothing you doing, bro. I don't care, bro. I really don't. I promise you, I do not care. I'm not rolling my window down. I don't care, bro. I don't care, bro. I don't care. Anyway, so yeah. Look at that guy. Look at him, guys. He's angry. Look at him. He's upset. You see that old white man? He's upset because the young nigga came through shitting on him. Ain't nobody finna hit your punk ass, boy. Slow ass humble. You was not finna wait for your ass, Mr. Sir. Would you like the race, boy? A lot of people think you're gonna think you an asshole when you get a fast car. I hope everybody knows that. They're gonna think you're an asshole because it's loud and you're gonna be driving fast. You're not gonna drive like a little bitch because you don't have to, because it's a fast car. And a lot of times shit like that gonna happen. But I would suggest just leave everybody alone, because I ain't like, you know. That's why I just be leaving motherfuckers alone. Like, I ain't finna fight your ass, bro. And we ain't crash. Shit. Fuck you looking at me for. That's all I'm saying. Fuck is you looking at me for, gang? Trying to, he's leaning all in the motherfucking. Let me show y'all. He's leaning all like trying to make himself seen and shit. Like, boy, you better get your goof ass on, boy. Fuck, nigga. You never got skirted in front of before? See, when I was driving regular cars, I respected that shit. I used to be like, damn, they just cut in front of me, raw as hell. Because we ain't crashed, so I ain't tripping. Now you hit my car hard as hell, I'm be mad as hell. gotta do this shit. I'm finna take my ass around here, nigga. This nigga driving slow as fuck. What are you doing, bro? Nigga stupid as man. Y'all niggas ridiculous, bro. King, like, I swear to God, bro. I swear to God, that nigga just almost crashed into me, y'all. I'm done, folks. I'm done, folks. I don't know what they got going on, bro. You know what I'm saying, though? Everybody fucking weird out here. No, I ain't gonna lie though. The way I feel about LA is like, it's the same way like you know how when you a senior in high school and like towards the end, it's like you hate school because you like, man, I do not want to be here, like, because I'm already knowing it's the end. Like, I just want to go ahead, go and leave already, graduate. That's how I feel about it right now. And I only got 11 more days out here, bro, literally. And I'm so happy. Like, I could not be happy. I'm happier to leave here than I was to leave Atlanta, bro. On phone them grade, bro. Like, and I was happy as hell to leave Atlanta, boy. Fuck that. I was happy as hell to leave Chicago. I ain't never nothing gonna beat Chicago. When I left Chicago, I was happy as fuck. Like, when I was driving out that city knowing that I ain't coming back, I was so happy. But when I left Atlanta, I was happy because I was in the country. Shit was getting bad. A lot of shit was getting bad at that time. So when I came to LA, I'm like, okay, yes, I'm in LA. You know, shit, decent. Shit. I'm in LA. I'm in a bigger city now. I'm doing this, that, the third. I have business out here, so I made a lot of money out here and shit. But I'm ready to go. It never rains in Southern California. Shit. Damn. I go skirt on your and is this Toyota trying to creep up on me? Oh no, I know he's not trying to do that. That's not gonna make me stop, bro. I promise it's not. You still creeping, bro. Calm down, bro. Goofy. Go, nigga. God damn. Paul Blart Mall Cops. Look at him. Paul Blart Jr. The son and the father. Hey, the son and the father. The fuck is you talking about? That nigga duck. Did y'all see that old white man duck? His ass is funny. Oh, come on, old man, let's play. Come on, old man, I see you, nigga. This motherfucking Tesla. You lucky how you nigga was over here, boy. I would've hit your ass with that paddles and hit your ass back. That motherfucker. That shit might be fast, but it sound like shit, so who cares, bruh? Nobody gives a fuck. A dick fuck. What is that? Oh.